Hello friends. In this video, we are going to look at two Excel functions, if and ifs. We are also going to talk about the difference between these two functions. If you are an Excel user, you would have been using the function if quite extensively. However, by now you would have realized that if you have to nest multiple if, it becomes a bit cumbersome function to use. And that's where ifs comes in handy. If you are a Microsoft 365 user, then ifs is available within Excel. Now let's get to it and understand how to use both the functions. I have made a very simple table where I have names of 5 individuals and their age. I want to classify each individual into 3 categories: kid, teen, and adult. So let's see, if we have to use the function if, how are we going to nest multiple if to get to what we are looking for. So to insert if function, we are going to type equals to if, open the bracket, and then we are going to link with cell D4, which has age in it. So the first logical test which I'm going to use is, if D4 is less than 13, then I want this to return kid. If this age is less than 20, then I want this to return as teen. Now the final one is adult. Since we have already defined 2 criteria, we don't need to define the adult criteria because the leftover will be adult. So we are just going to type adult over here and close the bracket. Please note one thing. If we type text within the f function, we have to put between the inverted commas for it to return the text value. I put 2 closing brackets because first bracket is over here and the second bracket is over here. If I press enter, this returns as teen, 18. And if I copy the formula all over the place, we should be saying teen, adult because it is more than 19, then kid. As you can see over here, that if we have to nest multiple if function, this gets a bit complicated. So the way to simplify this is by using ifs function. It asks for logical test and then value if true. So we are going to use the same conditions we used in the if function. Linking it to D4, if this is less than 13, then we want the value to be returned as kid. If this is less than 20, then we want the value to be returned as teen. And if this is greater than 19, then we want the value to be returned as adult. And then we are going to close the bracket and copy the formula all the way down. And as you can see, we are getting all the values as same. Now let me highlight few differences between if and ifs function. In the ifs function, we had to put the third criteria as well, as it can't recognize the residual value, unlike if function where it was able to recognize the residual value, and hence we did not define the criteria and we just put adult in the inverted commas. However, as you have seen, it definitely saves the pain of nesting various if function. That's all what I had for this video. I hope you enjoyed this short video. For more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so that whenever I upload new Excel videos, you would be able to get access to that. And in my channel, there are not only Excel videos, there are podcasts as well, wherein I speak to many industry veterans and seniors who can give you a lot of insight into different aspects of corporate world. Enjoy your time learning Excel. Thank you so much.